Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Finn from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a line across. And then a large curve underneath for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw 2 bumps on both sides. And then close it off with a line across at the top. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 large circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside each of these. And then color both of these in black. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve over and up to the right side. And then curve it down and back in on both ends. And another curve underneath. Now inside the mouth, let's draw 2 curves on the right side and color it in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with a V shape underneath. Then a curve down on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw a line down. And then from the left, let's curve it across, stopping here. Now let's add a square. And then 2 more curves on the right side. Now let's add another set of bumps down. Now underneath, let's add another buckle. Let's draw a line down on both sides. Again, curve it in from the left. And add another square. And then 2 curves on the right side. Now let's hop down again and let's draw another set of curves. And then close it off at the bottom. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up for the bottom of the body. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. On both sides, let's start with 2 curves down and out. Then from the outside, let's curve it out and back in. And then from the inside line, let's draw a small bump down. And then a curve for the thumb. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left and the right. And then underneath, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a curve to close off the bottom of each foot. Lastly, let's add some stripes inside the legs by adding 4 curves across inside each one. And that's it for Finn. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!